Okay, this video is a continuation of the previous two videos. We're doing question number 8, the cake question. Letter C asks us if the round cake costs us $10 and the rectangular cake costs $15, which one is a better buy? And you guys have done these better buy questions before, and you guys have learned that you can't just look at the two numbers and say, oh, the round cake is better. Just because I'm sorry, not the round cake. The rectangular cake is better because, heck, it's got a lot more volume to it. I'm getting a bigger cake. It's going to make me happier. But better buy is asking the question, which one is the least expensive per cubic inch? So we have to figure out how much does each of these cakes cost per cubic inch. We can't just look at the price and the size and get an answer. We got to figure out how to compare them with the exact same unit of measure. So in this case, again, you also can't say the round cake is better because it's cheaper. Again, you got to figure out, well, how much does it cost for a cubic inch compared to the rectangular cake? Whichever one has the lowest cost per cubic inch is going to be the one that we consider to be the better buy. So let's figure out the round cake first. The round cake has a volume of 158.34. So 158.34 cubic inches. And we know that cake is going to cost us $10. Now the question might come up, Mr. Z, how do you know to put the $10 on top and the 158.34 on bottom? And the reason I know that is because I know when I get my final answer, I want to know how much does it cost, which is in dollars, per cubic inch. If I put it the other way around, it'd be saying how much cubic inch, how many cubic inches are there in a dollar or in a certain amount. And I don't want to do it that way. I want dollars per cubic inch. That means I put dollars on top and cubic inches on bottom. Let's go ahead and put this in our calculator. I should have put the equal signs over here. Put it in our calculator. We're going to get, you can see my work, 10 divided by 158.34 is 0.063. We'll round it. 0.063 dollars per cubic inch. Now let's go ahead and do the rectangular cake pan. The rectangular cake is going to cost us $15, and we've got 210.6 cubic inches. We're going to go ahead and divide that out. Let's take a look at our calculator. 15 divided by 210.6 is 0.071. So we've got $0.071 per cubic inch. So now take a look at these two cakes. We'll see the round cake is only costing us 0.063. Now we can change that to pennies by dividing or by multiplying that number by 100. We're going to get 6.3 cents per cubic inch. And on our rectangular one, we've got 7.1 cents per cubic inch. And I think you can see from this, the round cake clearly is costing us less per cubic inch. That makes the round cake as the better buy. So the round cake, you would write your answer and explain why you justify that the round cake must be a better buy, because it only cost us 6.3 cents for a cubic inch, whereas the rectangular cake, even though it's bigger, the price is high enough to where it's actually costing us 7.1 cents per cubic inch. So again, we verify that the round cake is the better buy.